A Duluth district judge ruled today that the Lester Park petition won't go on the November ballot. This comes after a resident sued the city over petitions trying to put the old golf course land's future to a vote. City leaders, including Mayor Reiner, some city councilors, and the city attorney, argued that state law wouldn't allow that. In dismissing the lawsuit today, the judge wrote that putting the two questions regarding the golf course's zoning on the ballot would rather be a futile election that wouldn't change the outcome. Instead, the court says citizens should share their views at an upcoming planning and zoning meeting.